make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'll surrender.
Hi everyone, so I hope you're well and having a really great day today. So welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. If you are new, make sure you subscribe and join my little corner of the internet. It's a real good time over here. We enjoy it, we have a great time. But yeah, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. In today's video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different, and I am going to be reviewing and giving you my first impressions on a swimwear company. Now, I'm one of those people, I hate swimwear. I don't like my figure. I really feel like one of those beef joints that are wrapped in string. Let me know if you can relate when I wear swimwear. I hate it. I don't like it. So hopefully this all makes me feel a little bit more confident in that department. So I'm going to be working with a brand called Cupshe. Now, Cupshe have worked with a lot of influencers, especially over the recent kind of months and weeks, and I've seen a lot more videos of it on my kind of feed and everything, so I'm really, really excited to be working with them. I'm not being paid to say any of this, obviously. This is just gifted. It's not a hashtag ad, just to get that out there. So I was gifted these things, but I'm not paid to say anything. So I wanted to do this as a first impressions as well as a review, because I thought that's kind of a bit more interesting, and I just really, really, really like first impressions videos, so I thought I'd give it a go, and I can't say the word first impressions very well. Without further ado, I'm going to jump right into this video. All their links will be in the description, so go and give them a little look, have a little see on the site of what you like, what you don't like, let me know in the comments below, and we're going to dive right in. I'm very, very excited. So Cupshe have kindly sent me 4 items, and I got them all in a size medium. Now this is where the issue is going to be, because I'm very much like a lot of people out there. I'm not a standard small, medium, large, extra large, etc. all over. So this is where the issue is going to be. When I used to get mine from Primark, I would get a size 10 bottom and a size 12 top. So that's kind of what we're going with here, but I went for a medium because a medium is a safe option, which I just thought would be a good idea. So yes, anyway, I'm very excited, so I'm going to jump right in. So the first bikini is a high-waisted kind of crisscross bikini. So the top looks like this, and it kind of doesn't do it justice, I'm not gonna lie, and I'm really not body confident to try it on camera, so hopefully you guys will get a rough idea. Now, I love the fact straight away that we've got the adjustable straps, because I have a really short distance between my like shoulders and where my boobs start, so I feel like any bikini that doesn't have adjustable straps is always like all the way down here, and it just doesn't work for me. So this one has adjustable straps, which I love, and it also has this extra material, which if I undo it, okay, it's gonna be really hard to explain. This is the bikini, this is this, you crisscross it, and you wrap it around yourself like that. Do you see what I mean? It's a crisscross design basically, and I really love the colour, and actually for a medium that size is pretty spot on, so I'm really, really happy I went for a medium and not a small, because that just would not have fit me at all. But the material is really, really nice. It has got a slight padding in the bikini top, but nothing major. I think it's just more for like an extra layer, if you know what I mean, and everything else seems really, really lovely. The nice thing with this as well is that it is just a throw over your head sort of situation, so if you're going to go to a water park or something, you've not got to worry about that falling off. And yeah, I really, really love this bikini top actually. I think it's really lovely, and the colour's really nice, so that is a good start. The bottoms that come with it are high-waisted. I've never tried high-waisted before, so it's something completely different. I do really like the side panels, because you can really cinch those in. If you wanted to make them smaller, you can, or you can make them longer, which is nice. And I really love the pattern as well. I think it's really lovely, and I like the fact that they're kind of like mismatchy, but they kind of go together. I really like that. But yeah, these are the high-waisted bikini bottoms. Really like those. Again, I think they look really long, but I think that is because they're high-waisted. I guess normally a bikini bottom would be like that, so yeah, I think it's just kind of how it's supposed to look. I'm not really a high-waisted bikini bottom kind of girl, because I feel like the tan lines are just a bit much, but if you were going on holiday and you were going to go to a water park or something, I think these would be really, really cute. Or if you're just going to go like, I don't know, to a spa. I'm trying to think of places where you could wear high-waisted bottoms. You guys know what I mean though. It's really, really cute. And again, these are size medium, and yeah, I really, really like these. These are really nice. So 10 out of 10 for me for the first one. Love it. Also, I would like to say they're all packaged really, really nice. They all come in their individual little bags with a Ziploc pouch. So you could, in fact, take these on holiday and put your wet bikinis in them, which is actually quite nice. Next up, we have a one piece, and I picked this because I wanted to get a good range of everything. So I've got like normal bikinis, high-waisted, and a one piece, and I thought this one piece was really, really cute. It's a black and white tie-up one piece, so it kind of looks like a bikini from the back, if you see what I mean, but then from the front it is tied up. And again, I'm really sorry that I'm not trying these on, but I just can't bring myself to get on the internet in a bikini when I feel like a giant potato, so you are just gonna have to deal with me holding these up, and I hope you guys don't mind. But yeah, basically it is a little crop top style top half, and then the bottom half again is more of a high-waisted bottom, and then you obviously can just put them kind of where you want to wear it. I really like this, so I just think it's really nice. Again, it'd be great for like a spa day, or if you're going to go on holiday and you're going to go to a water park and you just want something a bit more secure and a bit more kind of tucked in, if you know what I mean, then this would be really, really great. Probably not the best for tanning in because you're going to have that big knot in the middle of your stomach, but I just really like it actually, and I think the quality of this is really, really nice. It's a bit of a different texture. I don't know what the texture is called. It's like, what is this texture? Can you guys see what I mean? It's like got lines all over it. Do you see what I'm saying? It's got like a, oh, what is that texture? I don't even know what the texture is, but it's really, really nice. Again, it has got padding in it, but you can take the padding out. There is a little hole here, but really nice, really good quality. Again, I'm actually really, really impressed so far about the quality of this. I really, really like it. Oh, yes, okay. I loved this one. So let's have a look at this one. So this one again is a high-waisted set. Now, I liked this mainly for the top, but I also thought that you could easily mix and match all of these. Like, I just think that they would look really nice, and I'll show you what I mean. So the bottoms of this swimsuit are these ones. Now, these are really nice, just standard high-waisted, pink with the green leaves on. I really, really like these. Again, I think they're so summery and so good for holidays and things. Then we have this. Now, the only thing with this one so far that I don't like is the fact it hasn't got the clasp. Now, you're probably thinking that I did just say I liked the fact it didn't have a clasp, but the fact that, I mean, it's fine, but the problem is if you're too small, it won't fit. But I think that that's the same with anything unless it's a tie-up, so you kind of make do, I suppose. But this top I absolutely adore so much. It's, how nice is that? Like, that's so nice. It's a halter neck one with like a scalloped, is that what it's called? Scalloped edge, I think. Really, really lovely. And it's this really beautiful green colour, which I thought would look also really cool with these bottoms. Do you see what I mean? So I thought that the kind of ones I went for, you could definitely mix and match. I mean, I probably, oh, actually, I mean, you could wear those together, but I think these ones look really cool. Like, this would look really good together. So again, really, really like this, and I just thought this top was really nice. It's like a halter neck. You could wear this even like as a top, like on holiday with some shorts or something. Like, I just really like it. So I got that one too, and I really like it. I feel like all I'm saying is that I really like it, but there's only so much you can say about swimwear without kind of saying the same things over and over again. But yeah, I love the colour, I love the mix and match idea, and it's just definitely up my street, so love those two. Last but definitely not least is another one piece, and I thought this one was just a bit more simple, really good for kind of just chilling by the pool, again, going on holiday, going somewhere where you don't want to be all on display, if you know what I mean. And that is this really lovely striped one. Now, I've really, really liked the kind of dip in it. I think it's really lovely and really feminine. I also really like the thickness of it. It's got a really lovely feel. It's kind of hard to describe it on camera, but it's like, it just feels like a luxury item. It's not just like a really cheap naff swimsuit. But that is this one, and again, it's got a lovely crisscross back, but again, it's got the adjustable straps, which I love, so I'm really, really happy about that. It's got some really nice padding in it again, but not too thick, and obviously all these swimsuits come with the hygiene tag in the bottom, so you know they're completely brand new and they haven't been used before, so I really like that. And I think this one is just more of a kind of casual situation, do you know what I mean? But again, if you could wear that with shorts in the summer, and I just think it would look really cute, so I might just end up wearing that as a bodysuit, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, really, really love that one again, and I'm just a real big fan of the stripes. Love it. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. Would I buy from them myself? yes, I would. I think the sizing is pretty spot on. I think the actual quality of the pieces were really, really good as well, and I love the patterns. I think this set is probably my favourite, I'm not gonna lie. I really love this green colour. It's so, so nice. I think it's looking a bit more blue on camera, but it is more of a greeny turquoise. But yeah, again, I'm really happy with all the pieces that I selected. I love them all, and that's a really big thing for me. Like, I'm not into swimwear, like I don't have a lot of it, so I'm really, really happy that I liked them all. And yeah, the quality of them was amazing, so I would definitely recommend Cupshe to you guys. Again, like I always say in my videos, I'm not going to recommend something that I don't like, so I do really, really, really like these products, and their quality is just amazing. So I will definitely be taking all of these pieces on holiday with me when I go away in the summer. And yeah, I will leave all their links down below, so don't forget to check them out online, have a little browse, let me know down below your favourite products from the website. And yeah, so like I said at the start, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!